Have you been keeping up with 6ix9ine girlfriend and that ugly ass tattoo, blood? She really proud of that shit, huh? Like she really got that and proudly wearing that. Huh? Like you got a proud blood, you got a proud snitch on your shoulder, bro. Like serious shit, bro, you got a proud snitch on your shoulder and you proud to be wearing that. Goddamn, blood, the world that we living in. Like serious shit, like look what the world has come to, blood. Like we got a woman running around in the streets proud to have a proud snitch on her shoulder, bro. Like this is what the world has come to, bro. Goddamn. Nigga on baby mama disowned him. The nigga on baby mama disowned him. Read the paperwork. She riding around like a proud snitch. Goofy ass, blood, all of the L's. Shit, all of the L's. Flag on the play too. Flag on the play. Blood, what's up with my nigga KD, blood? Did my nigga KD fuck the kid?